Are you choosing between two flagship robot vacuums but can't decide which one actually delivers? Today we're breaking down the Mova Z60 Ultra Complete versus the Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni, and I'll reveal which features matter most for your home. Let's start with cleaning power, because that's what you're really buying. The Mova Z60 Ultra brings impressive 28,000 pascals of suction with their hydro force mopping system that continuously injects fresh water while extracting dirty water in real time. Think of it like a miniature carpet cleaner that follows your vacuum around. The Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni counters with slightly less suction but compensates with rotating mop pads and heated water cleaning at 45 degrees Celsius. Here's where it gets interesting though. The Mova's Auto Shield technology automatically lifts the mop when it detects carpet, preventing those annoying wet streaks on your rugs. The X8 Pro has similar carpet detection, but relies on older vibrating mop technology. Navigation is where these robots really separate themselves from budget models. The Mova features retractable radar that drops down to just 96 millimeters, letting it slide under furniture that would trap other robots. Their Flex Scope navigation adapts the height dynamically, meaning it can map your entire home, including those hard to reach spots under beds and couches. The Ecovacs uses traditional laser navigation, which works well but can't adapt its height like the Mova system. However, it does offer excellent obstacle avoidance through its advanced camera system and can recognize specific objects like shoes or pet waste. Let's talk about those brushes, because this is where daily maintenance becomes a factor. The Mova dual brush system uses two brushes working in tandem with anti-tangle technology. The rubber bristles are designed to prevent hair wrapping, which pet owners will absolutely appreciate. The side brush extends to reach edges effectively, while the main brush handles deep carpet cleaning. The X8 Pro Omni also features dual brushes, but uses a different approach with one rubber brush and one bristle brush combination. Both systems work well, but the Mova's full rubber design typically requires less maintenance in homes with long hair or pet fur. Station functionality reveals another key difference. The Mova's base includes dual solution containers, one for general cleaning, another specifically for pet odor elimination. The containers hold enough solution for multiple cleaning cycles, and the system automatically dispenses the right amount based on your floor type. The Ecovac station focuses more on convenience with hot air drying for the mop pads and automatic dustbin emptying. It's a more traditional approach that many users find reliable, though it lacks the specialized pet cleaning features of the Mova system. Obstacle crossing capabilities matter more than most people realize. The Mova Stepmaster technology can handle obstacles up to 8 centimeters high with its adaptive lift system. This means it won't get stuck on thick rugs, door thresholds, or furniture legs that would stop other robots. The X8 Pro Omni handles obstacles well, but tops out at around 2 centimeters for reliable crossing. It compensates with excellent cliff detection and careful navigation around fragile items. Smart features show where each brand focuses their development efforts. The Mova app offers detailed cleaning customization with different modes for pet areas, high traffic zones, and delicate surfaces. You can set specific cleaning intensities and water flow rates for different rooms. Ecovacs provides a streamlined app experience with reliable scheduling and decent customization options. Maintenance requirements differ significantly between these models. The Mova's water injection system needs occasional cleaning of water lines, but the anti-tangle brushes require minimal hair removal. The dual containers need refilling based on your cleaning frequency. With the X8 Pro Omni, you'll need to clean the vibrating mop attachments more frequently, and with the traditional brush design, it may require more hair removal depending on your household. So which should you choose? If you have pets, mixed flooring types, or furniture that's difficult to clean under, the Mova Z60 Ultra specializes features like Auto Shield carpet protection, retractable radar, and pet odor cleaning system provide clear advantages. The continuous water injection mopping is genuinely innovative and delivers superior results on hard floors. Both robots will clean your floors effectively, but the Mova pushes boundaries with features that solve real-world problems. While the Ecovacs delivers reliable performance with time-tested approaches, both machines represent significant investments in cleaning technology that can genuinely transform your home's maintenance routine. The question isn't whether they work, it's which approach better matches your household's unique cleaning challenges and lifestyle preferences. This is much more to be discovered via the product links in the description, so click the links below and experience the pure convenience of robot vacuums. You will not be disappointed.